to my channel. If you are wondering, okay, she is wearing the same thing that she wore in the other video, well, yes I am, because I am recording multiple videos today. So I also wanted to record for you my Boxycharm unboxing, and so I have the premium box and the base box to share with you. The base box is $25 and the premium box is $35, and it is a monthly subscription, and I absolutely think that it is worth it. So with the last boxes that I've gotten, I absolutely do think that it's worth it. Hey guys, this is Editing Crystal here, and I just wanted to really quick mention, because I forgot to mention, that you do get a choice in your base boxes to choose at least one item that you do receive, that you are for sure going to receive. So if you're in base box, you choose one, premium one, and if you're in luxe, you get to choose 2 items. Also, don't be like me and don't forget to choose your item when it comes time to choose, because it's a specific time and day that you get to choose. So let's see what we got in this box for the month of July. So let's go ahead and I think we're gonna start with the premium box. So I have the premium box right here. And so we're gonna start with that. I am going to take this little thing and I'm gonna be referring to this to let you guys know what kind of box. So this theme for July is sunshine, and I got variation number 55. So that's the box that I got for my premium, variation 55. And so we're gonna go ahead and start and see what I got. See right here is this Morphe Mani Moi MUA. Ooh, this is exciting. I've heard mixed reviews about this palette. I've heard some people love it, some people don't love it, so I think it looks really beautiful. So those are the colors. I think it looks stunning. Let me see, let me try out this. Nova is that's a pretty highlight. Nova, Apollo. Ooh, Apollo doesn't really pick up that much, but it looks really pretty. It's like a golden, and this is more like a pinky. And then, oh, this Aries color right here. It's pretty. It's like Max Blue Brown pigment. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Right there. Okay, so that's exciting. I got a palette. Okay, let me wipe myself so I'm not getting eyeshadow on everything. All right, I see another palette. And this is the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define Kit. I've never heard of this brand, but let's see. The packaging is pretty cool. That faux, like I guess, snake print. And then we have that. They look nice. This really pinky shade highlight blush looks really pretty, so I'm excited to see about that. Okay, so let me go. So the Morphe palette is 20, and then the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Set and Define is 42. That's kind of a lot. That's kind of like Anastasia prices, but we'll see. I don't know. I didn't use that today for my makeup, but I will see. I might even keep it. I want to swatch it, but then I'm like, no, I'm kind of building a little bit of a giveaway basket, so I might save that for the giveaway. I'm not sure. I have so many contour palettes and stuff like that, so okay. So yes, that is 42. Ooh, I see this Fully Fire, a set of lipsticks. Oh, that's pretty. This is Full House, which is more of a matte, like it says matte. And this is, well, this is a pretty color. So yeah, that color is called Full House. And then this color is Here to Slay. Ooh. The packaging is nice too, but I've never heard of this brand either. Look at that. That's really pretty. That's pretty red. And then this color is Sunset Boulevard. Ooh. Oh, I like this color. This is a really pretty, like, mauve shade. So I've got those. And it came in that little set. So that's cute. So it came all together in this little set. Folly Fire is $39.99 for the trio of lipsticks. Okay. The next one is the Laura Geller Line and Define. That one is $24. Line and Define. All right. And this is in the color Black and Platinum. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's like a felt tip, a really big felt tip liner. And then on the other side is a plat. Wow. Okay. A platinum looking color. With this, I'm kind of like, how am I going to sharpen this again and make it pointy again when it gets to the big bottom base? Probably gonna have to use a brush for that, to use that. So I'm not so happy with the way it is. How much is this? What is this? Oh, this Laura Geller Line and Define Dual Dimension Eyeliner. This is $24. I'm not too crazy about this, but what is this? Oh, cuticle oil. This is cuticle oil, and this is by the brand. Where's the brand? Cosio Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. Good God, I can't speak. This is $18. This is huge. I have a cuticle oil from OPI that I've been using. I have been like trying to do my nails since I can't go and get my nails done like I used to. And this is huge. Very huge. It has a very different, do you see the bottom how it's slanted? That's weird. This is in reference to see how big this is. This is the cuticle oil, and then this is the OPI. Look at how. And the last thing that I have is this Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner. That's another skincare product. How much is this? $95. Wow. I don't know if I would repurchase this, but this is what it looks like. It looks nice. It smells nice. Let me take this little sifter off of it. Oh, it smells nice. Kind of smells like that Tom Ford Neroli. That's probably why it's so expensive. But then I don't know, that's very, it's a strong scent is what I'm trying to say. So I don't know if I want that on my face because I am a little more on the sensitive side. So, but nonetheless, this is really nice, but I don't think I would spend $95 on that. So yeah, I got this, the lipsticks. I think I got a little bit of everything. That's nice. Yeah, the Morphe, the Essence Toner, the lipsticks, the Define Kit. Yeah, I think this was a very good curated box. I am happy with what I got, and I think the most exciting thing is this and the lipsticks for me. And the palette, it's really beautiful. Let me take this off. That's the palette again. It's really pretty. Love that. And I do like that the palette comes with this to help it, because lately my boxes have been coming kind of beat up. The first couple of months that I've ordered my Boxycharm, they weren't as beat up as they are now. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know why they're so beat up. And the lipsticks, I love that. Okay, so again, I think I mentioned this before. Okay, I got variation number 55. So that's my premium box. Now, for my base box. I did kind of cheat a little bit because I opened up the box and I did notice that, so I did kind of cheat a little bit. I opened up the box and I saw this palette and I couldn't help myself. I wanted to see what it looked like, right? And then I noticed that one of the shadows was broken, like broken. So I had to fix it. And I left it overnight drying. So I just put it back in the packaging. So that's what I'm saying. I love that the Morphe one came packaged with a bubble wrap, because this box is beat up, like really beat up. And then my first couple of boxes weren't like that. So I don't know what's going on there, but this is beautiful. I love this. So the black one is the one that came messed up. So I pressed it back in and cleaned it up as much as I could. But yeah, it was like all over the mirror and it was a hot mess, right? But I really like the palette. I think it's really beautiful. And I'm glad that I got it in my base box. And this is the 2.0 Festival palette by Pure. So I'm super excited about that. I'm excited about that eyeshadow. Okay, and so it's the same similar theme, sunshine. This base box is variation number 40. Okay, and so the Pure Cosmetics Festival eyeshadow palette, that was 36. And I do like Pure, and I'm familiar with that brand, so I'm really excited. And then staying with that, I got this color switch. I have so many. I have like 4 or 5 of these things. So I think I'm gonna put this in like one of the giveaway bag that I'm kind of accumulating. So I like this. This is really nice. This is, it's a must-have if you love to do makeup. So I'm gonna put that aside. And then I got the skincare Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is a watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. That's what that looks like. I'm not Clear Skin Club. I'm not familiar with this brand. But how much is this? This is Clean Skin $49.95. So it's up there in price. OMG, this smells. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. That smells divine. This super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of skin, while naturally gives a younger, regenerated look. This concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extract, which help reduce sun damage, even out the skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. Girl, I am stressed right now, girl. I am super stressed right now. And if you do want to see, side note, the other video that is probably going to go up before this one, I'm doing the review on the Pretty Fresh ColourPop foundation. And so if you do want to see that, go ahead and look at that video. But in that video, I do start off with bare skin, and you can see a lot of the redness and stress that my skin has right now. So I'm excited to try this out and see how that works, and see if it does, kind of calm that down. It smells so good, and it did brighten up a little bit right here. I like it. Okay, I'm excited about this. And so yeah, this is $49.95. Oh, okay. This next thing is the Touch in Sol. Ooh, girl. Like in the other video, I tell you that I used a sample of the Touch in Sol primer, the No Pore Problem primer, and that is amazing. And then the last box, the June box, I also got a primer essence from Touch in Sol, and I do enjoy that as well. So I'm just excited to try this next one. This is the Glassy Skin Balm. I'm all about those hydration, girl. You got this box right, Boxycharm, because you know I'm a dry girl. So that's nice. So it's a little, it's a cream. Let's see. I like the packaging too. Look at the packaging. It's pretty. Oh, so Touch and Soul Glassy, Pretty Filtered Glassy Skin Balm. And it says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Yes, I'm all about that. Ooh, ooh, yes. It does feel really nice. Doesn't have too much of a scent. I'm still smelling what I put on earlier, which was the vitamin C, so no, it doesn't have a scent, but it feels good. I'm excited to try that out too. So then I got that, and that is Touch and Soul, $32. Okay, I do, you know, this is sold at Sephora, so the brand is sold at Sephora. I'm not sure of this exact product, but I'm pretty sure it is. I'm excited. And then the last thing is this Ciate London Everyday Vacay Continuous Setting Spray. Yes, girl. This is 22. Ooh, I love the packaging. Look at that. That is so pretty. I didn't put any setting spray. That's what I forgot. I didn't put any setting spray when I finished my makeup. Hold up. Hold up. So let's try this out now. Oh yeah, that smells like freaking vacation in a bottle. It does smell. It smells like the beach. It smells like coconutty and I don't know, it kind of also gives me a sense of last haul, the Rio de Janeiro skin highlighting oil creams. It kind of smells like that too. It smells really good, and I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Look at the packaging. I love it. This box was also, I think it was curated very well. I really do enjoy it. I mean, for 25 bucks, this alone almost pays for the whole box. This is $22, and it's really pretty. This is $49. Yeah, guys, this. Okay, Boxycharm, you did a good job. Good job for this month. I really do enjoy it. I'm super excited. I can't wait to use these in upcoming videos. This is so pretty. Love it. Love it, love it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing for the July Boxycharms in the premium and the base box. So if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And if you do, ring the notification bell so that you're notified of my upcoming or my latest videos that come out. So again, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Okay?
So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending the time to see this unboxing. And if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. And I don't know why I said all of that, because I just said that before and I think I did a pretty good job. So there's that. Okay. Let's take some pictures. Okay, I'm back after a very long conversation with my sister and my niece. We're trying to get me to go to Ulta. Yes, we're trying to get me to go to Ulta. And I don't want to. And you know why? You know why? Because I don't want to spend any money. I have no self-control if I go to Ulta, you know? So girl, I'm not going. I know she's probably gonna call me back right now and tell me, like, girl, go, but I'm being good. I'm being good. Hubby, if you're watching this, I'm being good, okay? I said no. So, okay, where was I at?